Okay. Okay. Okay, testing out a few new things here. Mostly a brand new webcam that hopefully a lot higher resolution, so it won't be grainy and nasty, and it's also recording to my computer, so for some weird inception. There you go. So I'm gonna try this thing. It's on a 20 feet of USB, so I should be able to go pretty much anywhere I feel like. And of course the dogs are gonna go ape right now because why not? Okay, so today we're going to be welding up these two members, and that's pretty much it. It's not a long stream, I just want to make sure it's all working. So that's mainly the goal of today. So there we are. Looks like it's going to stay relatively still. Okay. So I need to measure this out. I'm going to get my stuff. Okay, tape measure. So we are going to be from edge to corner 28 1/8. So 28 1/8. Calendar. This side. I want this lined up with the vertical posts, so 28 1/4. Yeah. There we go. So now, clamp these in at those elevations, and we should be pretty good to go. I'll then go to the front and clamp that in. Clamps. Okay. Do one at a time, not in a huge rush. Rather get this done right, get done fast. So for me, what really matters is not the bottom, but the top of this matters for me. So I'm gonna give this good position. This is a tight fit, which is good. So you want to move it. There we go. to actually clamp it this way. So 28 and an eighth, 28 and an eighth, 28 and a 16th, so I gotta bump this over. You guys are somewhat insane. I gotta figure out the zoom of this thing, because it's really high quality but different. Okay, it's 28 and an eighth, 28 and an eighth. Go to the far end. So to keep you guys from falling over. I really just like to break my brand new camera. 28 and of course I gotta go over to an eighth and I gotta clamp this down. This here. That's 28 and 8, so right now 28 and a quarter. So tighten up. Eight and 3/16. There, and get it snug. And 28 and 8. Yeah, you can see what I was doing. Okay, good. So to quickly go over this. This guy is at 28 and 8 and he's squared to the top. I'm notched right there to go across over. And then at the very end I have my 1/4 inch gap that I have on the two other beams. So what I'm going to do after this, finish holding this guy up. If I got time, I'm going to make another member come out to where this is going to be over my, this is going to go over my my headache rack. It'll be doubled up there, and I'll actually make a beam on the bottom to hold this directly on the headache rack. So this is going to be super sturdy. It's going to be anchored in many, many places. So now, I'm going to weld up this guy. Trying to figure out how this tripod works worth a darn, because it does not like moving the ball joint for some reason. There it goes. Okay. Gas is on, machine is on. Weld here, weld here. I'm not going to weld at the very end yet. I'll finish welding at this front half, then I'll weld the end. So I got to weld. I found out it works real if I progress up. It's a little bit harder to do, but it seems like it fuses better. Had a big old glob of aluminum fall on the wood, which it immediately turns into tin foil, which is kind of cool looking, but it gives a nice little burn and smell. You guys can't see the other side, so let me rotate the camera. If it rotates, it does rotate. Almost worth a darn. I'm gonna trade this out for the normal tripod. This is not liking what I'm doing to it. You know, I meant to. Real bonus is this tripod was put on this little bendy tripod has magnetic feet, but I'm using aluminum, so not too helpful there. Go put you guys on this. Yeah, it should be fine. I see you seen right below there. Actually, that's not bad. That's not bad. That'll do. Straighten you guys up. And bend you right there. So that's so much better. And the zoom's right too. Okay. Back to work. Okay. Take off. What do I do? The supports. Not wearing steel toes, so I'm gonna a little more careful. Well, I want to drop this on my anyway, so should be careful anyway. So, well, this side, well, the inside, well, the top. Be a little bit of carefulness because I'm on top of my cardboard that holds my my door, so I don't want to mess that up. So I'm gonna weld the insides, weld the far side. See here. Yep. Did I make this private or is this? public, none. Okay, cool. It's actually working. So I'm trying out a couple new things. I got OBS running that's recording this, and I got it being sent to the YouTubes. This is the fun part, filling in a 1/4-inch gap. Actually, pretty good. Now I gotta take this out for cool too much. Yeah, I don't know, lose these 1/4-inch pieces. So, getting these out is violent. This wasn't too badly stopped. So. Didn't take too much persuasion. Okay, cool. Once again, since this is steel, going to aluminum, I should just be able to pop them off. Should. Third word. There we go. Okay, so almost done welding this guy up. I'll weld top and middle and center. I'm not worried about the inner seam here. It's already plenty sturdy. But I want to weld both sides of the seam. I gotta switch over to OBS so I actually see something. Okay. So I gotta be a little careful because I got a bunch of cardboard underneath where I'm welding, so I don't want to light it on fire, but oh well. Basically, what did this see? Actually, we'll get in there. Here we are. So I'm going to put that bucket there. So hopefully it catches some stuff on the bunch of aluminum I have underneath it. And away we go. Do the same thing on the other side. Yeah, I don't like that weld. I'm gonna clean that weld right now. Okay, well that back right, I went straight to the box, so I am going to move my expensive door out of the way before I burn it down. Okay, now, time to do it again. Okay. I'll get you guys a little higher. Now to raise you. Put it on my bucket and barrel. Get you another foot there. Yeah, that's much better. Right there. Okay. First beam's done. Square up this guy, move in position, get the second one done. And that's all I'm doing today. I'm just basically testing out, making sure my webcam's working decently. Because I'm also going to use that for footage for my episodes. Because it's, I don't know, it's OnlyFans quality. You catch my drift of camera. Forgot that fucking. So we should be 28 and a quarter. Yep, so 28 and a quarter here. And 10 20 and a quarter. Okay, so let's clamp this guy down, move the center, then clamp the far side. Yeah, I know it makes a lot of noise. It's not that bad. It's just, I have sheet metal, not sheet metal, just plywood, just miscellaneous all over the place, so. Yeah, I think this is good. Yeah. So notice if you've been to any of the live streams, if anyone else is watching, which probably don't think anyone is. It's a lot of measuring. It's an awful lot of measuring. As you can see. Well, I put it exactly where you need. Cool. Double check my height. It's a middle height, so it should be nearly perfect, which it is. Which is awesome. So now I'm going to go far side, clamp that down. I could probably get by if I open the door, but I really don't want to because it's cold and rainy out. 28 and a quarter. I'm at 28 even, so I gotta go over a smidge. Which doesn't quite make sense. But I can see it bending. Up there is 28 and a quarter. Yeah, I don't want a little more. This isn't a super critical dimension, but I mean, up here, I'm going to try to get done as good as I can. I'm going to try to barely get this guy in here so I can knock him out easy, because he didn't act as a 4-inch spacer. Over 160. Let's end up a little more. 28. 32nd. 28 and quarters. Take it down. One more measurement day. We're under 16th ounce, so that's as good as I'm going to get. Look at this cat before I catch it on fire. Turn you guys back over here. And do it to it. Hey, my wife's actually watching. Someone's watching. Oh, 3 watching now. Unexpected. Okay. Hello, 3 people. I'm not really paying too much attention to things right now. I'm kind of, I don't know if you can hear me because I'm pretty far away. I'm mostly testing my new webcam. So, if you guys are just now catching on to the stream, pretty much once I finish this, I might go a little longer. Not catching me Andrew from the house. Try to get as much as I can done. There's a little bit of bow to it. If I straighten it out. Everything's a hammer. I go 28 and a quarter. 28 and a quarter. I'm not too worried about that. I want this to line up with this, so when I put the beam underneath and double it, I actually have something backing it up. no one wants to sleep on a lumpy bed. So we do the same thing. Weld the inside, flip it over, not flip it over, you know what I mean. Go to the other side and hold it up. Everything welds so much cleaner when you actually have like the right settings and the right nozzles and the right wire. It's amazing. Almost like it's designed that way. Well, if it's worth a little bit, I'm really committed, but I don't think it's worth it. It's kind of optical illusion with it. Go to the far side and do some more. I'll be right back. I'm actually gonna post this on the Facebook. See if anyone else wants to watch me weld a little bit. Doubt it. Come on. Don't die on me now. Okay. Need to figure out a place to use something while doing it, like from a van or something for. Hopefully this time I left enough out I can easily get this hammered out, which looks like I can just barely not get it out. Oh, big chunk of metal laying on the table. Extra smoky. That's what I get for filling a 1/4 inch gap. Now, please stop smoldering. I like this table. There's a table saw underneath it, please don't burn. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to the middle, weld those up. You're still watching. Interesting. Alright. I am 10 years old. This spool gun fits really conveniently on the structure, like that. Okay, these two bars are fully welded up. If this thing wouldn't tip over, I should be able to stand up there and it'd be fine. I'm gonna, like I said before, I'm gonna cut two pieces to go out a certain distance. I gotta go outside and measure that. I will be able to probably do that right now. Yeah, I think I'll do that right now. I want to get past the headache rack, double this up so I can bring actually like a bar going down into the headache rack to support it. And realistically, I don't think it needs that much strength, but adding that much strength's never been. No one's gonna say, "Oh, it's been too strong." So I'm gonna go with that. That's pretty well locked in. I'm gonna trust that. Okay, I'm gonna open the garage and we'll go outside. But got you guys on like a 20-foot cable so we can furnish go anywhere. Where did I put? Oh, there it is. So I'm not going to take the camera out there so I don't get it instantly destroyed. But I measure from the back of the box to the front of my rail, and then I'm going to add 3 inches. So I'm not going to put this camper directly. Wow, that took a weird flare. I'm that pasty apparently. Anyway, I want that distance plus 3 inches. I'm not going to go directly against the box. I'm going to leave an inch or two of gap between them. So, 18 inches from the front to the back of the box. I'm just going to do a 24-inch piece, simple. I'll stitch it in. So you're going to punch down that chop so. Gloves in your ears, loud stuff. Get my tape measure. Check. Well. I missed a box from 4 inches away. Just when you're onto the table here. So I'm going to do now, lay this thing out so I can actually, I'm going to do 2 on 12 stitching, so it's not much. But it still ends up being a lot of weld. I'm filling in a 1/4 inch gap. So first 2 inches, then there to there, and then pretty much the end. And then what we're going to do is flip it around. Flip around this way. And flip around this way. So I'll do the first 2 inches, no matter what. First 2 inches. And then we're going to go, because I'm a simple caveman, flip around some reading from the 0. 5 to 7. And then between that is 5 inches. So 5 inches goes there. And there. So I have a 2 and 6 alternating stitch, and that'll be more enough to beef that up. But I'm gonna do that later. Thanks for watching if you watched. If you don't, well, you don't hear me anyway. So thank you guys.